Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about Microsoft Edge favorites. So favorites are also known as bookmarks in other web browsers. So they're used to keep track of sites that you go to often, so that way you have easy access to them so you don't have to either do a search for them or type in their address in the address bar right up top here. Alright, so let's say we want to add this page to a favorite here. It's an article on how to hide the clock in Windows 11. So you see you have two star icons here. You have this add this page to favorites, which will add the current page, and then to view your favorites you have this star over here. So if we want to add this page, we just simply click on it, and now it's going to take the name of the page based on the title of the page itself, which you could change, and then you could also change the location if you have all their folders. Otherwise it's just going to use the favorites bar by default. So we'll just leave everything the way it is. Click on done. Now you can see this star is solid, meaning this page has been added to the favorites. And if I go to the favorites right here, you can see I only have a couple on this test account here. So I have this one Online Computer Tips main page, Google Doc page, and the one we just added right here. And then there's some other favorites that came with Microsoft Edge, by the way. And then while you're here, you could also click here to add this page to the favorites, but it's already been done. And we can also click on a new folder, but when you click on it, it just calls a new folder, and you just have to change it. Let's just call this Computer Tips. And now we could organize our stuff. Let's say we want this page here, we could drag and drop. This page here, we could drag and drop. And now let's say we're on a different page, and we want to add this to our favorites. So now we could, let's say we could change the name here. We'll call this Windows 11 Tips. And now you can see we have our Computer Tips folder as an available save location. So we'll click on Done. And if we go back to our favorites, under Computer Tips, we have our Windows 11 Tips. And then you also have your options here. If you want to open your favorites page itself, so this kind of shows all your favorites in a separate page here, and then you can manage them by deleting them, add another folder. Sort by name. You could export your favorites, so if you want to import them into another computer, another browser, remove any duplicates, import favorites from another browser, show favorites bar, always, never, or only on new tabs, like that. And then you have this thumbtack icon if you want to pin your favorites, so that'll keep it over to the right here. You're going to lose a little real estate on your web page here because you're going to have your favorites here, and especially if you have some long names like this, then it's really going to kind of take away some space. So you could always right click it, edit. So we could take off maybe this and save. And you could also right click on them, open a new tab, open a new window, new private window, cut, rename, copy, delete, and that type of thing. And same for your folders. Open all, which will open everything in that folder, favorite-wise. And the same if you want to do it in a new window, new private window, sort by name, add some pages to this folder, add the open pages to this folder, or add a new subfolder. You could do that as well. So as you can see, favorites are pretty simple to use, and it's just a nice way just to save your favorite web pages for easy access. And like I said, if you don't want it pinned, you could just close that. And every time you want to get to one, you could simply just come to your bar up here, pick the one you want, and then you're good to go.